Here the plan now. Apparently that have it, well not apparently, that have in water, but it's more than one balloons up there. And I have a...
Can be more than one balloons.
One balloons, yeah. It's up there. So we're going to take with time and burst one, and who burst the one that have the water in it, the person who is sitting here, like I and I, when get wet. Well, if I get wet, it's the first divorce on the Wednesday on national television. Remember me told you. Are you ready, Mama?
Me not like that plan, yeah.
You don't like the divorce?
This not nice.
The divorce?
No, this plan.
All right, you
ready.
go first. You go first.
No, you go first.
No, because I'm sitting already, so you have a...
No, you cut it under there, not me.
Yeah, and then when you sit down, I cut it.
Is that how it goes?
Yeah.
No, Neville, you are to cut it.
So me must cut it?
Yes, to make sure you don't wet up. Georgia.
Then if I cut it and me I look up, then everything now go.
That's the point.
But me can't even see it.
The janker.
No, balloon, don't play with it. No, something like this. Bruh. You don't like that. And then the thing hit me in my neck and my neck hurt me now. Producer, you are
like
better not being there when I come in up.
That's the end of the game.
Well,
Wait, are they going for more balloon? You can't stand that.
The one that lick my bad in my neck.
But you're being nice, man.
I'm gonna get wet still.
You did well.
Yeah, we cover up everything.
You need to give me that jacket for my outing.
So we're going to do it again?
Yes, it's my turn.
You know something
But the
like...
plan never was really not to burst the balloon on the first go.
Yeah. Ah.
All right, Tanya.
Really and truly doing it. It lick me so hard to choke.
Hush, Nev. The stick is not supposed to fall though.
No.
Who's tall?
By the way, I would like to know is how much balloon that.
It's 6 balloons
And
there.
and one cut the 6 of them.
Oh my gosh. Come next time.
Summer, are you ready?
Yes, but only when the... You
Yeah.
can't take Jody, you know.
Hey. Alright, let's not come over here again.
Alright, wait, no. I cannot afford to get lick in my head like Neville, you know. So not to... Alright, so why did it come down so heavily? Nev?
Yeah.
Can I please borrow your jacket? Because this looks like it's going to be a
No, but
disaster.
that is the fun part.
No, man, but at least you add on protections.
Yeah, because you changed, I didn't change.
All right, you own it.
You can't even reach a balloon, thank God.
You can't reach the balloon.
Thank God, I just
I
need
know,
And then
man.
soak and
oh,
a
you
bed.
just hold it over your head. Yeah, man.
Where
No,
is
no,
it?
Summer Road. You're tired. You don't want to take off your glasses.
But it's already wet from what you did.
Round 2.
Sam,
Lisa.
Summer, don't leave the glasses there.
Wait, balloon.
Summer, give me your glasses, please.
Just be a bridgelet. Lisa, I'm gonna like this for me. I don't like this for me.
No, man, it's over your head, it must drop. Thank you. Right there. Right there.
Oh! Come back, you again.
Yeah, where's my razor? Let me do the razor. Where do the razor?
Sit here.
Lisa, me like, oh yeah,
Strategy, you have to slice. You can't just joke. Your hand too heavy. That's what God is doing for my life. Come down like a beard again and watch me watch it. Please, slice. Take your time. Watch it.
Neville. Well, the first one wasn't great.
That's not what you're supposed to do.
What's that mean?
You're supposed to bust it so you can... Listen, Lisa afraid and Lisa is doing nothing but holding the balloon. Please, work with me again. Come, send me some good karma. Good karma. It has splash? Ready? Catch it over somewhere. Stop it!
No, but that's the last one. But that's the last one. Slim,
No.
that is the last balloon, so it must, but I must get it again. That is the last
Well, it's
one.
your turn, so... Come back.
No, man. I'm going to get it again. Slim, you're having too much fun doing this. I am going to get wet again because this is the last one.
It's over! Come down! I'm mad!
Wait there.
Another one.
Wait
Another one. And another
there.
one. And another one.
I don't love her. I have to see this on national television. I don't love her.
Sir.
What? But you get wet more than me. Well. That's it for something to smile about because nobody not smiling no more because,
What's there?
well,
Just please. No,
I'm
we
good.
need to go to break.
You're ready to go
I resign as Neville would.
me love it.
No, look here. Well, it'd be nice to-
Yeah.